Hey guys, we were in this garage probably maybe a couple of weeks ago. My friend just called me saying my garage door came crooked. Yeah, they were not kidding. So, top roller came completely out of the track. I don't know how this came undone. That came undone. The track's all tweaked to one side. This side, this got all bent. Cable's loose. Got wrapped behind the drum like twice. So this is going to be fun to figure out how the fuck to get this door fixed. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, leave a like, and thank you for watching.